So this is what I woke up to today on February 9th, Saturday morning. It's been snowing since about 12:30 yesterday afternoon in periods off and on. Went to bed last night and there was about half as much snow as there is right now. But you can see the valley. It's quite beautiful. I'll zoom in a little bit. Covered in white. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more because this is Willis Street. It's a major thoroughfare. And there are a few vehicles out there. Not too many. As you can see, some brave people. Brave or silly. Anyway, there's a lot of snow. I'm going to zoom over here so you can see. This is a chaise lounge on my patio. That's quite a bit of snow. Alright guys.